Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, April 9th, and we're going to take a look here at TJX. This is a trade I'm currently in from the trading room this morning, also from Momentum Options Alerts Advisory that got sent out pre-market, telling everybody to look for the breakout above 162.70. Played out really well. Here's the open position. You can see currently in the April 165 sees up about a little under 40%. But overall, this trade's played out beautifully. It's a really good looking breakout trade. So like we typically look for, we want to see multiple tests of the same resistance, horizontal boundary, which is what we got here. We've tagged this just about 3 times around that 62.70 area over the past several weeks. And then we had higher pivot lows leading into the bullish break of resistance, which is what we want. So every pullback was continually being bought up by the bulls, holding this in the uptrend. So then we pop to that resistance that triggers our trade, and away we go. We traded not only this, though, in TJX, and I'm still holding on to runners in this. Like I said, I would like to see this next target's about 165, and then we'll see if we can let it continue to ride, just trail stop for the remaining few contracts. But the other ones we had, same type of setup in Walmart. We had an inverted head and shoulders. You had your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. This was another Momentum Options Alerts trade this morning. We triggered above 127.70, I think is what we were looking at. 127.30, excuse me. Played out really well. Pushed all the way up to 129, right around our target. And I already took profits in this. We made about 30% on that as well. And the last one we were in was Fastenal. Similar situation. Well-defined resistance. Horizontal boundaries have been tested more than one time. We popped through that at 48.50. It jumped right up to our target at 49.30. And we took profits in that too. I still have some runners left in fast. We'll see if we can get a push all the way up to 50. But overall, not a bad day for breakouts. The market also, we had a couple of different long breakouts in the ES futures that played out really well. Or for SPY, if you were trading SPY instead of futures. But not a bad day. Market's trending up overall. A good way to start wrapping up the week. So we just have tomorrow left. But that's it for today. If you want to get these trades live with us, again, we trade them every single day. All you got to do is go to bctnow.com/go or just go to basecamptrading.com and you can get a trial for 30 days. But actually, excuse me, it's bctnow.com/join, JOIN. But that's it. I'll see you in the trading room tomorrow, bright and early. Have a great rest of your afternoon, everybody. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.